Because we've swapped the engine in this JK and upgraded it to the 6.4 HEMI, we need to deal with the cooling package. Now, one of the nice things about using a Jeep like the Jeep JK as our base vehicle is you can get direct replacement upgraded cooling packages specific to our engine swap from Cold Case Radiators. Now, this is a full upgrade to our existing radiator. It has an extruded aluminum core to maximize efficiency, yet it still has all the provisions to reuse all the factory items like the factory fan shroud, factory oil cooler, and factory AC condenser, so it's a 100% direct fit. But at the same time, the inlet and the outlet are spec'd specific for our HEMI. So not only do we get to upgrade the cooling performance with this all aluminum radiator, but also we don't have to worry about building a whole bunch of custom radiator hoses because this is designed to work with our engine. Boom, boom.